welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, you're welcome. If it is your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. Here I review wigs from different companies all over the world. The wig I'll be reviewing today is from Tinashe Hair. It came in this cute box. As you guys can see, that is written Tinashe. The length of the wig is 20 inches. You can see it's written here 20 inches, and also their social platform is at the back here, so you can follow them all over if you want. So guys, the wig I'll be revealing is reddish brown #33 body wave 5x5 HD lace 180 density. So guys, before I bring the wig out, there are some goodies that came with it. So it came in this cute bag you're seeing here. So let's open and see what's inside here. So in here we have a cap wig, 2 pairs inside. We have hair clips. There is a bonnet that came with it. All these are a lot. A hairband, edge brush, pair of lashes. Wow. It's from there. It's like there's deal on lashes as well. See, Tinashe lashes. You can check their website. Maybe they deal on lashes. And at the back of the lashes, all their social platforms, and in here as well. These 3D lashes. And there is a band. So those are the goodies that came with this wig. So if you order from them, all these are going to come with your wig as well. So now about the hair. So when you open it like this, there is a card inside. Their contact, everything is in here. And now the wig, 20 inches, and it's 5x5 lace front wig. So this is the wig. Wow. So this is it. I'm going to remove this from it. So guys, you guys can see the color is reddish brown, and you see the waves. So this is the front. They pluck the front a little bit, you guys can see here. Okay, and the inside came with some combs here at the back, inbuilt adjustable strap, and another inbuilt adjustable strap. See, which means it's 2. Wow, this is great. I love this. This is great. You see this, these 2 here. Let's see if there's shading. There is no single shading from the hair. No single shading.
You go frown, I just wanna get it right. But when you go left,
you see this, guys? This is the hairline. It's lovely.
We're going different directions. Let's go where we were when no one.
So guys, this is it on. You can see that it's 5x5, and this is the hairline. See the hairline came a little bit pluck. You can see this. The lace is from here to here. I'm going to bring out baby hair. So let me comb the hair. See, it combs so easily. So easily. See that? See my comb? Just lead to this that came from it. You guys can see just this. So guys, I'm going to leave the detail of this unit on the description box, so if you're interested, you can check that out. The hair is so soft. I like the waves. You can see this. I like that it's 5x5 because 5x5, they are easy to install. Very easy to install. Sometimes you can glue it down, sometimes you just leave it like that and you're good to go. I bought these as zigzag, see, scissors. See this, to be cutting my lace. Let's see how this will go. If it's going to cut well, first I'm going to add hair mousse to take the hair back out.
I'm really on fire tonight. Can't nobody hold me down. I'm doing whatever now. Ain't got no time.
No, it's not smooth. I'm going to do center part. This is my center.
Whatever team that'll win, I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like.
If If you like long part, you're going to like this hair because the part is really long. I prefer it when the part is so long.
Cool, 'cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Telling you that I might never go to sleep, stay up.
So now I'm going to cut the excess lace from it. This is my first time of trying these scissors. I hope it's not going to fuck up.
Him and her and them over there, they looking over here, they giving me a stare like I could.
I'm looking downward because there's a mirror in front of me. I think the scissors is not that sharp, but it's okay. You guys can see this. That's what I want. So it's perfect this way. So I'm going to use styling gel.
Do it like that, I'ma do it. I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it. I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it like that.
Yeah, look how they looking at me. I think they influenced by me. They say they not fucking with me, alright. Wish all they looking at me.
So I'll blow it dry.
Real bad, same ones trying to meet me where I'm at now. Same ones trying to figure how I got here. I be
You guys have tied it down. You just want to brush it.
stop. I be protecting my inner child. You could keep all of that dissonance. They be hating on me.
Guys, I bought this hair coil. I have not used it before, so it's easy coil. I think you just have to press here and it will roll on its own. I bought this from AliExpress, so I want to try it with this hair. What was in my mouth? So I want to try to roll the hair with it to see. Let's see. Okay, see, brown new. I've not used it before. I have so many hair coiler, but when I saw this one, this very one, I said, okay, I'll get this. So I bought it. Let's try it. See, because that's what I saw. It will roll the hair on its own. Ah, it's on and it's showing one light. Maybe when it's hot, it will get to this level. This is not sponsored, okay? I just bought it. I want to try it with this hair. Ah, it's hot already. Wow, it's hot already. I just want to try it for you guys to see. I did not add cream to the hair. I think it's like this. Maybe my first time, I don't know. Let me try it again. Maybe it's like this. Okay, that's how you should do it. You should take it closer. Okay, I think it's like this. Oh, this is going to be so hard. Maybe because it's my first time of using it. Let's see. Okay. So guys, I tried it. This is what I could get. Maybe because it's my first time, so I'm going to do it off camera. Then maybe next time when I'm used to it, then I will show you guys. I don't know how to really use this right now, but let me just use it to coil the hair. Guys, I have quite still remaining this one. I thought I've done everything, but no, it's still remaining. So I'm going to lose this from it. See where I coiled it. So that you guys can see. See how I coiled it. And just use my hand to comb it out. Then I am going to lay my baby hair. So guys, I'm going to open the pack. I'm going to leave the details on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. You can see that the hair looks so gorgeous, it's so beautiful, it's bouncing. The hair is a 5x5 lace wig. So that is it guys. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. Thank you so much for doing that. I really appreciate it. I will see you guys in my next one. Ciao.